Hello everyone, it is a guide to how to create a miner, and this video is only for educational purpose only. Since this is scripted, so I'll let Jenny talk about it.
Develop a mining algorithm. Determine the algorithm you want to use for mining. For example, you can choose between proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS, algorithms. Set up a mining node. Set up a node or make a contract with third party to connect to the blockchain. Some of the tools that can be used for this purpose are Geth, Parity, or Infura. Create a mining pool. To increase your chances of mining successfully, you can join or create a mining pool. A mining pool combines the computing power of multiple miners to increase the probability of finding blocks. Develop mining software. Create or use existing mining software that is compatible with the blockchain you want to perform your mining operation. This software will communicate with your mining node and perform the mining calculations. Configure mining parameters. Set up the mining parameters, including the mining difficulty, block rewards, and mining fees. These parameters will determine mining process and rewards for miners. Test and optimize. Test your mining setup and optimize it for efficiency and profitability. Adjust your mining software and hardware settings to maximize your mining output. Create your own token. If you wish to create your own token, you can use platforms like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain to create a smart contract for your token. Define the token's name, symbol, supply, and add any additional features you want to include. Start your mining journey. Once the mining setup is ready, start mining the token using your own created token. Monitor your mining performance. And make adjustments as you see fit to increase your revenue. Please note that mining can be resource intensive. So, make sure you are ready and have the necessary hardware or software for the operation. I hope this information was helpful.
Please hit the subscribe and button. Also, share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the like button.